how to delete Facebook activity log all at once. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then, make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. After you do so, simply scroll down and tap on the activity log option available there. Then tap on activity history on the top. Now here you will get to see all your activity history. Scroll through it and tap on the three dots next to an activity. After you tap on the three dots, there will be an option called delete, or simply unlike the option, you can take the option back. So here I unlike it and the activity will be removed on its own. So in order to delete all of them together, go back to the settings again and tap on the account center on the top. Then tap on your information option available there. From there, tap on the your activity of Meta Technologies. Then tap on the clear activity option available there. Then simply tap on the clear option available right above your profile and it will clear all of your activities. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.